I have some mukbangs. I have some vlogs. I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like. I need you to share. I need you to subscribe, please.
Hey guys, we're back again with another video. Okay guys, we came to you with this quick video. We're not going to take too long. It's going to be a real quick video, but we want to do the taste of the Oreos, the new Oreos that are out, which is the Good Humor Strawberry Oreos. If someone can take that. Yes, that's the Good Humor Strawberry. And we also have the Firework Oreos that has the popping candy, like Pop Rocks, if anybody that's older knows. Okay, so we're gonna sit here, we're gonna taste the Pop Rocks. You wanna do the Pop Rock first, or we say that till last?
Oh, we gotta save the good one for last, so I think we should do the Pop Rocks first.
I'm with you on that, Adrian.
All right, so Daddy, you keep that, and I'm gonna give everybody a cookie, and then we're gonna do a thumbnail and hold up the thing. All right, so I'm gonna give everybody a cookie so we can taste it, guys. We're not really eating them, we just tasting to see how they taste. But before you eat it, we all gonna do a thumbnail, and let me fold this up so this can be in there too. Ada, you hold it up there because you are closer for it to be like in the camera. Hold both of them. Oh, Adrian, hold the other one. And then you can do our thumbnail real fast. Put it down away from your face. Put it down more. Ready? Oh, hold on, one more. Oh, yeah, I like that. What Daddy did. Okay.
Oh, my eyes.
All right, guys. So we have the first one, and this is I'm gonna open it up. And you open yours and kind of zoom it up to the camera so they can see that the little dots in it.
Kind of hard with the light.
It got like these little red and pink little dots in it, which I guess are the Pop Rocks. So, all right, guys, y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's taste it.
Tastes like a regular Oreo.
The rocks start popping.
Oh, I hear.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yes, it pops.
Yes, they do.
You gotta give it a minute.
It tastes like a normal Oreo, but a little crunchy on the inside. This is worth a pop.
Guys, you tasting them, y'all. We're not eating them.
Tasting.
Guys, tell me what it tastes like. How you like it, Dad?
It's pretty good. It's a little bit more crunchy with the popping. It almost tastes identical to the old Oreo cookie. You just got that popping. But if you got that texture issue, you might not want to go, oh, it's popping. Yup. What do your pops say to you?
So you can taste it popping, and you can hear the pop sound.
Mm-hmm.
Just like the way your old school Pop Rocks used to be. I don't know if you guys can hear it.
I don't think.
Oh, I'm ridiculous here.
But to me, like everybody said, it's pretty much tastes like a regular Oreo. Just put a little
I hear it.
popping sensation in it.
They dying now.
All right, guys, we're gonna take.
Oh.
We're gonna try the strawberry, which is a Good Humor.
Oh.
Now, this is one of our favorite ice creams, so
Definitely is.
It's my dad's favorite ice cream.
Word.
Me second.
I am interested in. First of all, let me smell. It has. I'll keep that one. It has a strawberry smell. See, if now you're not ready because you was eating the second one. Hurry up.
That's all right. Let the boy be. Go ahead, boy.
But I like these ones because these ones have the. Y'all smell it?
Oh, they smell like, yeah, got that true strawberry.
All right, let's open it up. I'm gonna taste a little bit of this ice in this here.
I stop acting like you picky, dog.
All right, look. If you look at it, it has like little strawberry, not strawberry, but little cherry bits in the actual cookie part. If y'all look at it, not where the filling is at.
Cause that boy like.
Eddie, you're not even facing that to the camera. You had it on the side. I want to see your hand.
My bad.
No, look at your
Just
other part of
one
your
hand.
cookie. It has little.
Oh no.
It has little chunks of it. The other part of the cookie, Lee.
I thought you were talking
The
about
other-
this part.
No, where's the other piece?
No, that this part.
I let Ice have it. I'll share with my buddy.
Look at it, 80. Turn the other way, the video that you can see. See how you can see the little pieces in it? Move it up some so they can see.
Right, you
This
want
is,
to
guys.
this is the back, and this is like the inside.
All right, guys, so we're going to taste it. I'll close it back up. Here we go. Taste testing.
Oh.
Oh, that's sweet. You need some sour cream and onion potato chips with that and a hoagie. That's sweet.
And some water on the side.
It is very sweet. Like you want to really definitely have milk or something with you.
I was about to say milk too.
Oh, it's a nice tall glass of that white milk. Not almond milk, whole milk. No flavor in it.
Now,
Tastes like the ice cream actually.
I taste little crunchy pieces in mine.
I did too.
So the strawberry part is kind of like a little crunchy. I wonder if they're trying to give you like the little cake effect, like it's on the actual Good Humor.
That's pretty good.
It smells good. It tastes pretty good. For me, I'm not a big sweets person, so it's kind of sweet. So I would
Yeah, it is a little bit sweet.
have this with ice cream or milk or something to kind of bring down the sweetness, or maybe just water or something that's like
You're gonna
you know,
need some water.
or lemonade or something to kind of bring down the sweetness. But overall, guys, both of these are pretty good.
Pretty good.
If you get a chance, you should try it. It's worth trying. It's something a little bit different. What I will say about the Good Humor, I don't like a lot of times in food is when you use food coloring. It tends to give you that like food coloring aftertaste. But it's not too bad. It does give you that strawberry shortcake somewhat kind of taste. Well, the best of what they can do with the cream and that food coloring. So again, guys, here we go. Good Humor. And the Fireworks one with the Pop Rocks in it. I give them both thumbs up. I like it. Hey, what you give it? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Put it down some so they can see your face, 80. And thumbs up, okay. That's pretty much it, guys. We don't have nothing else to do this. We just want to do this review real quick about these Oreos because I've been wanting to do it. I've been looking for them. I found them. It was at our local ShopRite. So I don't know if there's a ShopRite near you or probably your local market probably carry them. And it is a limited. It does say on the package a limited time. It also does say on the back that they have red velvet and cinnamon bun, but we did not see them at our local market.
Cinnamon and red velvet.
And we didn't see them. I'm personally not a red velvet fan, so I want to really pass on that. And I'm not a big cinnamon bun fan either. So I think we got the best ones that we would really want to eat. So I think that this Oreo one with the strawberry shortcake will probably taste good with some ice cream or like just some cold milk. And I think those other ones you can just really pretty much enjoy them without like how you do regular Oreos, with milk, with the milk paired with an Oreo, it just always just enhances the delicious flavor that it that it carries. So with that being said, guys, remember to like, share this video with everyone you know. Let them know what the MKW crew is over here doing, even though we only got the M crew here tonight, but that's cool. We'll see y'all again tomorrow in the next video. Peace. And I'm going to hit the peace. Unless somebody else got something to say, don't forget, go check out Lee Mills Production on his channel. And don't forget to check all the videos on here. We got some new bangers coming up, as Adrian was saying. Check us out. Check them out. We all on here doing our own individual videos. Giving y'all what you like. Peace.
I had some mukbangs, I have some vlogs, I have some cooking and some talks. I need you to like, I need you to share, I need you to subscribe, please.